If this speaks to your heart, hit subscribe and walk with us in His truth. There are seasons in life when you keep going, but something inside you feels heavy. You smile when you're supposed to. You pray the words you've learned. You show up, even when you're tired. Yet deep within, your heart feels distant, guarded, worn. And maybe you've wondered, quietly, God, can you still change what feels so hardened inside me? Listen to this promise: I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Ezekiel 36:26. This is not a metaphor meant to inspire. It is a divine promise meant to transform. A heart of stone doesn't happen overnight. It forms slowly, layer by layer. Disappointment that wasn't healed. Trust that was broken. Prayers that seemed to echo without answer. You didn't choose to become guarded. You adapted. You survived. And God understands that. He does not condemn hardened hearts. He restores them. God doesn't say, "Fix your heart and come back to me." He says, "I will give you a new one." That means renewal is not your responsibility alone. It is God's work, done by grace. A heart of stone protects itself from pain. But it also blocks joy. It feels less to avoid hurting more. It trusts less to avoid being disappointed again. But God never created you to live numb. He created you to live fully alive. That's why He promises a heart of flesh. A heart of flesh feels again. It loves again. It hopes again. Not without wisdom. Not without scars. But with softness where there was once resistance. God says, "I will remove your heart of stone." Notice, He removes it. Some things cannot be healed by effort. Some wounds are too deep for discipline alone. Only God can gently take what is hardened and replace it with something living. This new heart does not erase your past. It redeems it. The pain that once defined you becomes the testimony that strengthens you. The wounds that once closed you off become places where compassion flows. When God gives you a new heart, your prayers change. They become less about control and more about surrender. Less about proving faith and more about trusting love. This transformation is often quiet. Subtle. Unnoticed at first. You forgive quicker than before. You feel peace where anxiety once lived. You respond with grace instead of defense. That is the Spirit at work. God is not rushing your healing. He is walking with you through it. Every layer of hardness removed is replaced with gentleness. Every place of resistance is softened by mercy. You may still face trials. But now your heart is anchored. You may still feel pain. But it no longer controls you. Because a renewed heart doesn't mean life is easy, it means God is close. If you've been afraid to open up again. If you've been tired of being strong. If you've wondered whether God could still reach you. This promise is for you. So take a moment now. Breathe. And whisper this prayer: God, I give you my heart, even the hardened parts. Give me a new one. Teach me how to feel again. Because the God who promised is faithful. And when He gives you a new heart, your story doesn't end, it begins again. Amen. If this blessed you, please subscribe for more Bible truth.